Puro negative.
Now,
Karon,
this is where the matters should be different for us as believers.
mao kuno na yung mga sitwasyon, mga diferensya sa sitwasyon sa mga magtutuo.
When people bring issues to you,
Kung ang tao maghatag, magdalang isyu diha nimo,
when they bring their pains,
kung daton ang ilang mga
when
kasakit,
they bring their complaints,
kung magdaang ilang mga krireklamo,
don't be a petrol.
ayaw mo pareha sa
Don't add gasoline to it.
ayaw dugan
Ayaw
ni
supluri.
Don't destroy their
Ayaw
mind.
subluri.
Oh, ayaw gupag ilang huna-huna.
Be an helper to them.
Oh, dapat ikaw may mutabang nila.
Tell them, calm down.
Calm down. Hinay-hinay lang.
Calm down.
Hinay-hinay lang.
Hinahina.
Amen.
You as a child of God
Ikaw nga anak sa Ginoo,
must not be a carrier of evil news.
o dili dapat ikaw may magdala sa mga daotang balita.
It must not be you that will be the evil advisor.
Dili dapat ikaw ang mga mag-advise sa dili maayo. Dapat ikaw may mag-advise og maayo.
If you don't know what to do,
Dili dapat
if you don't know what to say,
kung wala kang kahibaw mo sa istorya,
just tell your friend.
ignalay mong higala.
Can I hear you say it is well?
It is well.
Oh, it is well. It is well. Can I hear you say it is well?
Ina nga okay ra na.
Let me go to somebody and tell them, touch them and their shoulder, say it is well.
Oh, dapat it is well. Okay ra na.
Oh, my husband is like this, it is well.
Oh, akong bana bari ngani. Okay ra na.
My father is very lazy, it is well.
Oh, akong amahan kapulan kayo. Okay ra na.
My wife is like, she keep all her salary to herself, it is well.
Oh, mo yun ang asawa gikuha niya tanan og sweldo. Okay ra na.
It is well.
Okay ra na.
My husband is very lazy.
Akong bana kapulan kayo.
Doesn't like to go to work.
Dili gusto mato sa trabaho.
My sister, it is
Oh.